Whether you're an influencer, educator, learner, vlogger, or just building your brand, one Instagram account isn't always enough. But using your real number could expose you to spam, account takeovers, unwanted calls, and messages, and even put your mobile banking at risks. Using a virtual number is a smarter way, without putting your real number in the spotlight. And with Calilio, you can get as many virtual phone numbers from over 100 countries. Then use it to verify your Instagram account safely. First, open your browser and head to Calilio.com. Click Get Started. It's a quick and simple sign-up process. Fill in your basic details, create your account, and you're in. If you get stuck, no worries. Just click the eye icon on the page. We've prepared a short help video to walk you through. Now that you're inside the Calilio dashboard, go to Settings, My Number. You'll see a list of available numbers from over 100 countries. Want a number from the US, UK, Australia, or any other? You've got options. You can also filter by mobile, local, or toll-free. For this example, let's choose a UK mobile number. Click Buy Now and complete the purchase. It only takes a few seconds. You can buy as many numbers as you need, all from this same dashboard. Once your number is ready, open up the Instagram app. Enter your new Calilio number instead of your personal one. When the app sends a verification code, OTP, just open your Calilio app or dashboard. You'll see the code right there. Copy it, paste it into the app, and you're verified. So why risk your number when a safer option is one click away? With Calilio, you get secure phone numbers from 100 plus countries, full privacy and spam protection, easy sign-up and instant OTP delivery. Click the link below to get your virtual number and take control of your digital privacy today.